An easy recipe which will help you make perfect vadas every time. Today's recipe is a vada made with an interesting combination of black urad and potatoes. Made with simple ingredients and absolutely delicious, you can never go wrong with this recipe. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. The ingredients required for the recipe are 100 grams split black urad dal with the skin, 6 potatoes, 6 green chilies, 1-inch piece of ginger, coriander leaves a handful, and salt to taste. Take the split black urad dal, add water, and wash 1 or 2 times. Soak the washed urad dal in water for 2 hours and keep it soaked in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Cut the potatoes into medium-sized cubes. Place them in water to prevent them from turning brown. Chop the green chilies roughly. Peel the skin of the washed ginger and chop into medium-sized pieces. Chop the washed coriander leaves fine. To a steamer, add water. When the water starts boiling, line the steamer tray with the cut potatoes. Close and steam for 10 minutes. The urad dal has soaked well. Drain the soaked water from the urad dal and add the urad dal to a mixer jar. Add the chopped ginger and the chopped green chilies. Grind, remove, and add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of ice cold water. Adding cold water at the time of grinding will help set off the heat generated from the mixer at the time of grinding. You can also add ice cubes. Grind for a minute. Open, mix, scoop out the dal from the sides. Add 3 more teaspoons of cold water. Adding water little by little will ensure that the batter does not get too runny and is of the correct consistency. The urad dal batter has now been ground to a fine paste, is fluffy and is of the right consistency. Check if the potatoes are done. Remove, add to a bowl, and mash well. To the mashed potatoes, add the ground black urad batter. Set aside and add 1 tablespoon of the soaked urad dal, as this gives a nice crunchy taste while biting into the vada. Add salt as per taste. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything well. To shape the vadas, wet both hands with water. Take some batter. Make into a round shape. Place on the other hand. Flatten. And make a hole in the center. Alternately, you can wet a banana leaf and shape the vadas. You can also shape the vadas using only one hand. Heat a kadai, add any cold-pressed oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add the vadas one by one. Once one side gets fried, turn to the other side. Keep flipping until the vadas get fried evenly on all sides and turn crisp. Drain the oil and remove. Fry until all the vadas are done. Serve on a platter. You can see that these vadas are crispy on the outside and soft inside. You can have the vada as such. You can also serve them with mint chutney or hung curd, topped with finely chopped onions, grated carrot, and coriander leaves. These vadas taste absolutely delicious with all these combinations, as they also have potatoes. Enjoy hot. If you like the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Saturday for another interesting recipe.